you braved it. I understand you had a bad day and shit. So I say something dumb as fucking luckily it gives you a facelift. But really I couldn't take it, especially when the volume is raising. Like, chicane in the room, chicane in the road. Now my mind is racing. You care to, where to? 3 days in a row my plans fell through. Crying in a hotel room. You listen. If I could, I'd be staying at the Edition. For real. I would meet you at a certain time and take my time to make my decision. For real. I'm only ever trying to help you. It's only ever love in a hotel room. It's only ever love, babe. I'm only ever trying to help you. It's only ever love, baby. It's only ever love. It's only ever trying to be loved.